Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we highlight the impact of crime in Jamaica. Jamaica, an island nation with a population of around 2.8 million people, faces significant challenges related to crime. Despite its small size, Jamaica has one of the highest crime rates in the world. Some of the reason why Jamaica's crime rate is so high is because of number one, poverty and unemployment. Many Jamaicans face economic hardship, which can lead to desperation and crime. Number two, gang violence. Organized gangs are active in Jamaica, often engaging in turf wars and other violent activities. Number three, corruption. Corruption within the government, law enforcement, and other institutions can undermine efforts to combat crime. And number four, social and cultural factors. Jamaica has a complex social and cultural landscape with issues like family breakdown, lack of education, and social inequality contributing to crime. The Jamaican government and law enforcement agencies have implemented various initiatives to address the crime problem, including 1. Increased policing and surveillance. Number 2. Community-based programs to prevent crime and promote social cohesion. Number 3. Economic development initiatives to address poverty and unemployment. And number 4, efforts to strengthen the justice system and reduce corruption. Despite these efforts, crime remained a significant challenge for Jamaica. Addressing this issue will require sustained commitment and cooperation from the government, civil society, and the private sector. If this kind of video resonates with you, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.